This question stem doesn't really fit neatly into any of our logical reasoning categories. It reads the analysis provided for the situation above. So here's the analysis, here's the situation. So we're given a situation, and then we analyze the situation. So they're saying this analysis is most appropriate for which one of the following situations. So essentially, the idea is that here's a situation for which this analysis works, and then you're just trying to replace this situation with another situation so the analysis also works. Right. So okay, let's read the situation. So you got someone living in a cold climate. So say like New York City. What do they? They buy a winter coat, and the winter coat is stylish, but it's not warm. And they do that so that they can appear sophisticated. So okay, so what they're doing is they're trading off comfort. People are sometimes willing to sacrifice comfort, sensual comfort or pleasure, for the sake of appearances. Yeah, this is a very apt analysis. So we're going to find another situation in which someone is trading off comfort or pleasure for the sake of appearances. That's what you got to keep in mind, right? Because that's what the situation does up here, and the analysis is that. All right, so A says a person buys an automobile to commute to work, even though what should it say? Even though, I mean, you can try to anticipate this, right? Like what we do in what's called parallel reasoning questions for logical reasoning. You can anticipate what the answer choice, given a little bit of information you have, try to anticipate it. So it should say something like, even though automobile is not comfortable or pleasurable, commuting to public transportation is more comfortable or pleasurable, but you appear like you're wealthy if you drive your own car or something. But you see, even though public transportation is quick and reliable, that's not, right? You see, that's not trading off comfort or pleasure for appearance. A says, or rather B says, a parent buys a car seat for a young child because it's more colorful and more comfortable. See, now it's confusing. Now where's the trade-off? It's better in appearance and it's better in comfort, right? So you're not trading one for the other. You're getting both, yet you're trading off for than the other, though no safer. But it's not even. It's not like it's no safer. That doesn't mean it's right. It's not safer. It could be just as safe. So I don't know what's going on here. C says a couple buys a particular wine even though their favorite wine is less expensive and better tasting. Better tasting. You see, so if it's better tasting than the one they buy, that means they are trading off comfort or pleasure, because the wine that they did buy is worse tasting because they think it will impress their dinner guests. There you go. For appearance, for the sake of appearance, to impress their dinner guest, they're sacrificing a better tasting wine. So this is pretty good. D says a person sets her thermostat at a low temperature during winter because she is concerned about. Right, so this is trading off comfort. This person is trading off comfort. That's great. So it's a low temperature during winter. So because she cares, concerned about environmental damage caused by fossil fuels. Well, that's not an appearance that you actually care about it, right? What D should have said to be right is a person sets her thermostat at a low temperature during winter because she is concerned about appearing to be environmentally friendly. Then that would be right. But as it stands, that's not right. E says after I convince Circus to employ him to purchase, let's see, expensive outfit so he can wear it to impress audience. Well, that's good. You are trading something for appearance, but this outfit has to be uncomfortable to wear. It has to be like itchy and to wear or something. Then it would be a trade off for you're trading comfort off for appearances.